Before we start solving the questions, let's have a quick refresher on the key surd rules. Surd are square roots of numbers that are not perfect squares. The main rules that guide how surd problems are solved are as follows. Now that we've refreshed the rules, let's apply them step by step. Let's expand the expression root 5 plus 2 multiplied by root 5 minus 1. First, multiply the first terms. Root 5 times root 5 equals 5. Next, multiply the outer terms. Root 5 times negative 1 equals negative root 5. Now, multiply the inner terms. 2 times root 5 equals 2 root 5. Finally, multiply the last terms. 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. Now combine everything. 5 minus root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 2. Combine like terms. So the final answer is 3 plus root 5. 1 over root 2. To remove the root from the bottom, we multiply the top and bottom by root 2. Remember that root a divided by root a equals 1. So we have root 2 over root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 equals 2. So the answer becomes root 2 over 2. Five over root 7 minus 1. This is a binomial, so we multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate of root 7 minus 1 is root 7 plus 1. Multiply the top and bottom by root 7 plus 1. So we get 5 over root 7 minus 1 all times root 7 plus 1 over root 7 plus 1. Now, simplify the denominator by expansion, or use the difference of two squares. So the final answer is 5 root 7 plus 5 all over 6, or 5 bracket open root 7 plus 1 bracket closed all over 6. And that is your answer. To solve this question, first simplify each surd. 8 is 4 times 2, 18 is 9 times 2, and 50 is 25 times 2. Hence, we have 3 root 4 times 2 plus 2 root 9 times 2 minus root 25 times 2 all over root 2. Three times 2 root 2 plus 2 times 3 root 2 minus 5 times root 2 all over root 2. So we now have 6 root 2 plus 6 root 2 minus 5 root 2 all over root 2. Combine like terms. 7 root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 divided by root 2 is 1, so the final answer is 7. In this next question, we have two binomial surds in the denominators. To rationalize a fraction with a binomial surd at the denominator, we must use its conjugate, which is changing the sign from plus to minus or vice versa. 5 over root 3 minus 1. Multiply top and bottom by root 3 plus 1. plus the second fraction, which is 2 over root 3 plus 1 times root 3 minus 1, all over root 3 minus 1. Follow and subscribe for more maths tips.